The use of tools has been a critical part of human evolution, and now, digital technology, the most innovative tool in human history, has ushered us into the era of DX. POSCO DX, that's our name. We go beyond the boundaries of an IT and OT company and create greater value for customers, businesses, and people's lives by integrating DX technology into industry and daily lives. DX technology for a better world. We are POSCO DX. POSCO DX has transformed POSCO Steelworks, Korea's first lighthouse factory, into a smart factory. We collect and analyze data from the field to monitor the operations at our production sites. With the application of AI, the operation of our facilities is optimized. When a factory is operated, data enables all workers to produce the same quality that masters with 20 to 30 years experience. With the latest technology of 5G-based digital twin made available at our factories, the newly introduced autonomous factory lets our employees perform simulations in a virtual space identical to the actual production site. The technology and know-how we have accumulated in the course of transforming our steelworks into a smart factory has spread to secondary battery and other eco-friendly materials, construction, energy, logistics, and training, leading the digital transformation of the Korean industry. We are implementing an unmanned automated system based on the control system for the unit equipment and the entire process of the factories that we have developed. The unmanned crane technology moves hundreds of tons of steel products. In the 3D warehouse, the unmanned mobile robots automatically ship secondary battery materials and products. In addition, we diagnose and analyze energy consumption trends at industrial sites to provide ways for efficient operation and promote the use of eco-friendly energy sources. POSCO DX has also introduced a robot automation system at high-intensity, high-risk production sites to enhance productivity and safety. We design systems based on a process analysis and perform simulations before introducing them at the production sites, providing a platform for controlling heterogeneous robots. The technology to ensure safety at industrial sites is also essential. Thus, risk factors are monitored in real time at our factories, and production workers are informed and kept up to date on the risk factors to prevent safety accidents. The AI vision technology monitors workers' unsafe behaviors and takes appropriate measures to maintain a safe workplace for all. Our DX continues to impact other aspects of the management practices. We are revolutionizing the way we work by incorporating AI and metaverse into our business practices. The core systems for business management have been digitalized, and they help business decisions on a real-time basis. Repetitive and regular jobs that must be done are performed by software robots. On the other hand, we are leading the DX innovation in our daily life, although it is not necessarily visible. Our smart home system makes everyday life easier. We also create high-tech logistics systems for delivery companies and online shopping malls to ensure that products ordered by customers are delivered as fast and as safely as possible. With the application of AI, products are automatically sorted by address, type, and size and moved by AGV accurately and quickly. The Smart Integrated Logistics Platform combines different modes of transportation, including seaborne containers and air cargo and logistics processes, monitoring the entire process from receiving orders to making delivery by tracking the location of ships and vehicles. Now, let's move to Incheon International Airport. Did you know that there is a conveyor belt running as long as 180 kilometers at Incheon International Airport? POSCO DX has built a baggage handling system that automatically carries baggage to airplanes. The baggage handling system at Incheon International Airport is known to be one of the fastest and most accurate systems in the world. All our employees engage in talent donation activities in their respective field of expertise and fulfill the roles expected of them as members of society. We have also established the 2040 Carbon Neutrality Roadmap to execute ESG management and enhance real value. These technologies of POSCO DX are changing the way we work and live. We at POSCO DX are committed to creating value that makes the world a better place with DX technologies for the future. POSCO DX creates new DX value for the future that goes beyond digital innovation. DX technology for a better world.